Bit of a before and after. So currently we have a Trane XE1000. This is from about 1996. Right now it is 2022, August of 2022. I noticed it started freezing up on me in the inside and air wasn't going through the vents. And so made a phone call, and the condenser outside here has sprung a leak. It's still working. It's been going for a month actually, waiting on, I've got a home warranty, so dicky doing with them for the last month pretty much. But this is going to be replaced with a new Rude system. So this right here is the outdoor condenser. We're in the Chicagoland area. Today it is a balmy, what is today? Well, it's cooled off quite a bit. It's 86. It was about 96 earlier today, so it's cooled down to 86. But so sometime in the next couple of weeks, this will be replaced with a Rude 4-ton unit. So, and it's a 410. This is R22 because it's 26 years old. So the new one will be a 410, which is supposed to work a little better allegedly. So anyway, just wanted to kind of show a quick before and after in the night times. These little areas right in here turn into solid ice, and so that's how I knew we had a problem. It's also a Trane, but just going to show you the back. This dinosaur of a humidifier. Not going to have a new humidifier in the new unit. For the furnace, it is a Trane XE90. Again, vintage 1996. And so this is also going to be replaced with a Rude well, this is 120,000. It's being replaced with 110,000 Rude. And it is going to be a variable speed furnace. We've got a 2-story home, and I decided to do the upgrade and pay a bit extra and have variable speed. So right now it is a Trane XE90. I think this was put in, the house was built in 96 or 95, and so this is original to the house. When they inspected the air conditioner, they also inspected the furnace with a camera and found that the heat exchange had a bunch of cracks on it. And so we decided, okay, in that case we need a new air conditioner and a new furnace, and the stuff's 26 years old quite honestly, and so it probably needs to be replaced anyway. Next up is the 75-gallon water heater as well. We'll be doing that sometime in the near future, I suspect, because that is also original vintage 26 years old right there. So yeah, I just wanted to show a before and after. But this is a Trane XE90, so it's actually an efficient furnace. I mean, 90% is what it's rated at. The new furnace, I think, is going to be rated at like 96%, I want to say. But yeah, so that is going to be replaced sometime in the next 2 weeks, fingers crossed.